Brigadier Mel Jemison, the Tattoo's producer, travels all over the world to bring unusual and unique examples of ethnic culture to Edinburgh. From the hill country of northeast India come the Cheraw cultural dance troupe. The Mizo, which means people of the hills, are said to have originated in China and then moved to Burma, migrating to the Chin Hills in the 13th century. And eventually, they settled in the Mizo Hills of northern India, in what is now Mizoram. Granted statehood only 17 years ago. The dance we are seeing, the Cheraw or bamboo dance, is 2,000 years old. It's danced by the young girls of a village to celebrate weddings or a bumper harvest, while around them sit the young men, weaving rhythmic and intricate patterns with long bamboo poles. Now, the patterns change all the time, so the steps have to be nimble and lively. Often accompanied by gongs and small drums. Tonight, they also dance to the music of the Lucknow Band of the Prince of Wales's division. And they so love this music that they're taking it home with them. The Lucknow Band's director of music is Captain Tim Cooper. The delightful smiling faces of the Cheraw dancers from India